All right, ladies and gentlemen, I will be presenting to you today the problem for number B that I got, which is the limit of x approaches 5, square root of x squared plus 24 minus 7 on the outside, over x minus 5. So the first step of these problems that you want to multiply by the conjugate. And if you don't know what the conjugate is, it is you take the denominator and you multiply both the numerator and the denominator by that with a flipped sign. So the reason why we do the conjugate is because we have a complex number here, or a radical, and that is the simplest way that we can solve this problem while still maintaining um, basic form of the entire equation or limit. So that is what we do for the first step here. Is we multiply by the conjugate. As we see, we made the 7 a plus sign, so we add it. The second step here is after we multiply both sides of these, we want to get rid of the square root because we multiply the numerators. So then we just have x squared minus 25 over the two denominators multiplied by each other. Do not distribute those because that will end up a complicated mess. The third step here is we want to expand this completed square. So we now have x minus 5 times x plus 5. We can now cancel the x minus 5, the denominator and numerator, which then just leaves us with x plus 5 over the square root of x squared plus 24 plus 7. From therefore, we can just plug in the x value of 5 since x approaches it. We now have 5 plus 5 over the square root 25 plus 24, which is 49 plus 7. So then when you break that down, you just get 10 over the square root of 49 plus 7, which is just 10 over 14, which just simplifies to your final answer of the limit is 5 over 7.